On my hand here is a very affordable TWS gaming earbuds that set you back for less than RM50 or equivalent to $11. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast Review episode 56. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. This is the Plextone xMowi T2 True Wireless Stereo Gaming Earbud. Inside this space theme box are the xMowi T2, a warranty document, and a short USB-C charging cable. It has a unique and cute design with a transparent acrylic case outside the charging case, magnetically hold the covers as well as the earbuds, a modern USB-C charging port at the bottom, and a LED indicator on the front. It will blink in red while charging and off once fully charged. The Plextone xMowi T2 is a semi-in-ear earbud with a long stem. It's a very fruit brand inspired with a cosmetic in-ear detection sensor that does nothing. Once you have successfully paired the earbuds to your phone, it will automatically connect once you take out from the charging case. It works on both Android and iOS. Support touch input on both earbuds. Single tap to play, pause or reject calls. Double tap to play next or previous songs. Triple taps to increase or decrease volume. Quintix or 5 taps is to enable or disable gaming mode. Hold any side of the earbuds is to summon the voice assistant. The earbud will work independently, so you can use individually regardless left or right side. It also features Bluetooth 5.0 that support up to 10-meter distance. Fitting wise, it's like any other semi-in-ear earbuds. It's comfortable to wear for long hours, but not that suitable for any intense workout. Offered in 5 colors: white, pink, green, purple. And if you are looking for something less cartoonish, you can go with the black color. Personally, I find the Plextone xMowi T2 sound is quite flat, lack of bass, and has a narrow sound stage. Sound quality ain't the stronghold here except for gaming. It can go as low as 45 milliseconds low latency, which is important for first-person shooter gaming. According to Plextone, the xMowi T2 provides up to 25 hours of music listening or 4 to 5 hours on the earbuds alone. So far, I've been using it close to 5 days now with an average of 2 hours. It has yet prompt low battery warning. Again, these TWS earbuds cost less than RM50 ringgit, and the overall builds, features and designs are pretty solid at this price point. If you're on tight budget and looking for a casual use for gaming, the Plextone xMowi T2 should be on your wish list. Thank you Plextone for sending this over to make these reviews possible. That's all for me on the Plextone xMowi T2. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.